What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman back to do another gear review. This one we're going to do just a inexpensive 7-in-1 survival kit picked up off of Amazon, so stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, tutorials, how I do my setup for hiking. I do beard product reviews, so make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you're notified when I drop new content. Today we're going to take a look at this 7-in-1 survival kit from Amazon for less than $12. Alright, so we're going to see if it's worth 12 bucks. It's sold by a company called Toplander, and I apologize, I'm looking at my screen just to kind of get some information so I didn't have to write it all down. But this is what it comes in. Alright, a little case. The case is 5 inches by 5 inches this way, 3.5 inches this way, roughly inch and a half thick. Alright, and according to Amazon, it's about 8.1 ounces. Alright, so that's the box. So let's get into it. Alright, so to open the box, you have 4 little tabs. Alright, I've already opened this and taken all of the stuff, everything came in it in little plastic baggies. I will say it is not made to go back in this box. If you can see, this is everything just kind of crammed in there. There are padding at the top, but we'll look at each one. Have a carabiner. It's got the screw, the locking bevel. This one specifically says not for climbing. It's a carabiner. It would work for anything other than climbing. So it's not bad. I mean, it's cheap, but you're paying 10, 12 bucks for a little kit. I wouldn't expect it to be top grade. So it is nice that it does have the locking bevel feature. Next we have the pocket saw. They usually work really well. Feeling the teeth on this one, it would work. It's not gonna, I don't know how long it would last, but it would definitely work and cut some limbs. We'll have to put this stuff to the test and check it out. Next, we have an emergency whistle. Now again, this would be one of those things that you wouldn't necessarily keep in this little carry box because it does have a keychain attachment. It does unscrew. It has an O-ring right here, if you can see that. And you can store some little something in there. It's about that deep. So you wouldn't be able to store a whole lot in there. The whistle does work. So good little emergency whistle. It's very light. I'm guessing aluminum. Let's see. A little small compass. I checked it against the compass on my iPhone, and it was pretty close to accurate, within a few degrees. So good for an emergency, I guess, if you needed one. Let's see, a little multi-tool. Now I've had one of these before and it worked really well. One cool little feature I like about it is the flashlight. It's fairly bright to be a little multi-tool flashlight, and you just twist it to turn it on, twist it to turn it off. Let's see, it's got pliers. Little needle nose pliers. There are, let's see, nothing else on the side with the flashlight. On the other side, you have a dull knife, very dull knife. You have a small Phillips head screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver with a bottle opener, and a saw. It's got pretty good little teeth on it. It would work. It would work for small things. Things you wouldn't want to use the pocket saw for. You have that little saw. So, not too bad. Doesn't lock. Nothing locks back. There's actually, if you can see the tip on that, it's actually rounded. It's not cutting me. You see blood? So, I mean, it is what it is. You get what you pay for, right? So, it's got the keychain on it as well. Next, you have a little credit card sized, if I can get it out of the little sleeve, credit card sized tool. Alright, so this one actually comes with a little piece of paper, and it has, see if I can turn it the same way, tells you it's stainless steel, everything's numbered, and then on the back side it tells you what everything is. So it has 11 things. Let's see if we can figure out what everything is. Number 1 right here is a can opener. Number 2 is a knife edge up here, which actually might be sharper than the knife on the multi-tool. Number 3 is a screwdriver right here. We'll turn it that way so you guys can see it. Little screwdriver. You have a ruler. I have it indexed here. It's maybe 2 inches. Let's see. Number 5 is a bottle cap opener right here. Let's see. 4-position wrench right here. Number 7, a butterfly wrench. What is number 7? Right here. I don't know what a butterfly, I guess for like, I don't know. Butterfly wrench is what it's called. Number 8 is a, number 8 is a saw blade right here. It's actually a decent saw blade. Number 9 is a direction auxiliary indicator. So it's going to be this little hole here. You have the little notches. Number 10, a 2-position wrench. So that would be this one here. And number 10 would be a lanyard hole or a keyring hole. So you got 10 options for this right here. Not too bad. And again, this kit, it's only right now, it's $10.99 and Amazon Prime free shipping. So I picked it up just for the inexpensive price and just a chance to show you guys what it is. It has 0 reviews on Amazon, so nobody's reviewing it, but it would be good, would have been good for maybe like a little stocking stuffer for somebody just getting into outdoors just for whatever. I would not suggest this for a serious backpacker to put in their gear. I wouldn't put any of this in my gear, but I would put this box in maybe my vehicle for just an emergency. Also comes with a little fire steel and striker. So don't know, at the risk of burning down my house, let's see if it'll throw any sparks. Oh yeah, it'll throw some sparks. So this, I wouldn't say is worth $11, but this is probably the best piece of gear in the box. It's worth 11 bucks, in my opinion. Tell me what you think. Drop me a comment. Let me know. For $11, free shipping. All right, guys, that is it. So give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more content. And as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, have a good one, and God bless.